Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear Subway Surfers cache. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in apps and perform your search. Tap on it. Then tap on Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Subway Surf and perform your search. Tap on it. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you can find Clear Data option. Tap on it. And then select Clear Cache option. And if you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear Subway Surfers cache. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.